10 articles about chamomile in 2024. 1. Antioxidant activities of chamomile extracts and their role in human health. This study investigates the potent antioxidant properties of chamomile extracts, revealing significant free radical scavenging activity, particularly in flower extracts. The findings suggest chamomile could be an effective natural source of antioxidants, potentially reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall health. 2. Chamomile as an adjuvant therapy for anxiety, a systematic review. This systematic review analyzes chamomile's efficacy in reducing anxiety levels and supports its use as a complementary treatment alongside conventional therapies. The review highlights the potential of chamomile to offer relief without the side effects associated with pharmaceutical options. 3. The anti-inflammatory effects of chamomile essential oil, a double-blind study. In this double-blind study, chamomile essential oil demonstrated significant anti-inflammatory effects in participants with arthritis, indicating its potential as a natural treatment option for chronic inflammatory conditions. 4. The efficacy of chamomile in treating insomnia, a randomized controlled trial. This trial found that chamomile extract significantly improved sleep quality and duration in individuals with insomnia, suggesting its effectiveness as a natural remedy for sleep disorders. 5. Chamomile extracts and their antimicrobial properties, a review. This review compiles evidence showing chamomile's antimicrobial effects against various pathogens, highlighting its potential as a natural alternative to conventional antibiotics amid rising resistance issues. 6. Chamomile and its role in digestive health, exploring therapeutic potential. This article emphasizes chamomile's benefits for digestive health, showcasing its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that can alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort and improve gut function. 7. Chamomile and skin health, evidence-based benefits for eczema. The study highlights chamomile's soothing effects on eczema, evidencing its ability to reduce inflammation and itchiness while improving skin hydration, supporting its use in skincare treatments. 8. Investigating the role of chamomile in cancer prevention, current findings. Research indicates that chamomile may have cancer-preventive properties, with certain phytochemicals showing potential in inhibiting tumor growth and promoting apoptosis in cancer cells. 9. Traditional uses of chamomile, bridging ethnomedicine and modern therapeutics. This article reviews the traditional uses of chamomile across cultures while bridging its historical significance with modern scientific validation in treating various health issues. 10. The pharmacological profile of chamomile, therapeutic applications and future directions. This comprehensive review summarizes chamomile's various pharmacological properties and therapeutic applications, encouraging further research into its mechanisms and potential in integrative medicine. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on narcotic plants in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe.